What if I told you that you could create group listings like this or this, complete with all of your mockups and product details done in less than 3 minutes? Now you can with a brand new feature that we've released with AnywherePOD. We just launched one of the biggest updates to the print-on-demand industry in a long time, and that's our new variant wizard. This honestly changes everything because now you can create what I call super listings, or what some people also refer to as group listings. These are listings with multi-designs and or multiple products, and you can now create these types of listings in just a few clicks. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set these up really quickly, step by step in AnywherePOD with our new variant wizard. But before we jump in, let's break down what exactly group listings are and how customers interact with them. Then I'll show you 3 ways top sellers are using group listings right now with real examples and profit potential. And I've got a bonus during the tutorial that's going to solve one of the biggest issues with these types of products, and that's mockups. If you're a beginner or even a seasoned seller, you've probably looked at creating these types of products before, but you either don't know where to start or you're just overwhelmed with the amount of work that it usually takes to create these types of listings. And this is exactly why most sellers never do it, because even tools that were supposed to help still require a lot of manual work. They cost extra and in the end only save you just a little bit of time. So let's start by looking at what group listings actually look like on Etsy. So here is a group listing on Etsy. You can see this usually consists of some custom mockups that are available in here to show all of the different options that are available on the listing. And then the variants are updated. So instead of just your standard sizes and colors, you're able to select the type of product you want along with it. So you can see on this particular example, they have adult and youth sizes in the same listing. And then your other variant option is going to give you design options along with it. This is great from a customer perspective because if they don't necessarily like what they initially see, your mockups are showing that there's multiple different examples. And instead of having to have the customer jump around from listing to find what they want, you're able to add it all to one listing and they're able to complete the purchase without having to leave your listing. Now that we've broken down a little bit about what a super listing is, I'm going to show you 3 examples that can work really well to offer these types of listings in your shop. So in this example, you can see that this cruise shirt is being offered on multiple different styles of products. So they're able to take this one design and give the customer the choice. They're wanting it on a t-shirt. In this case, they're also doing toddler and V-necks. You can also add sweatshirts and hoodies to these types of listings to even give your customer more options. The next type of group listing is offering multiple different design options on the same product. So here's a good example of one on cell phone cases. These types of group listings in particular are really popular outside of apparel, where you can give your customer more design options to select from on the products that you're offering. In this case, you can see they have multiple different style options of this cell phone case that the customer can select all from the same listing. Here is another good example of a listing where it's the same design, but they're offering it on multiple different products. This same strategy can also be used for other types of designs. So if you're doing monograms or zodiac symbols or birth flowers, this same process of using multiple different designs on the same product can be really effective. And then also offering those products as a bundle and personalized, which you can also do with AnywherePOD. And the last option that's really one of my favorites to offer is to have multiple different designs on multiple different products. The most popular example of this is like the one that I showed earlier and another one that is up on your screen now, where you can offer multiple different design options and multiple different product options. There are several niches like this that lend itself really well to larger group orders as well. For example, with bachelor shirts, where they can select if they want it on a t-shirt or a V-neck or a sweatshirt, and also select a coordinating design and then order it for the entire wedding party. And instead of just getting one order for a shirt, you're getting one order with multiple shirts for the entire bridal party. All right, now that we've seen a couple of different ways that you can create these types of group listings and utilize these in your store, you're probably wondering, how do I create one of these? And this is where it really gets fun because these are so easy to create now. For this example, we're going to be going over a similar example to option number 3, using multiple different bachelor design shirts that go on multiple products. We'll have more tutorials in the future that cover other options that you can do with this variant wizard as well. So make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos. So let's jump into AnywherePOD and I'll walk you through step by step on how you could create one of these listings in just a couple of minutes. So here we are inside of AnywherePOD in our new variant wizard. What you're able to do here in one step and one form, you're able to select all the different products that you want to add to your listing. And then you're able to upload any of the different artworks that you want on your listing as well and have everything automated and set up all along the way. So the first thing that you need to do is add the products that you want to offer on this listing. I'll leave a link to a full tutorial down below that'll break this down in more detail, but it's as simple as clicking on add product and then just selecting the product and the supplier and colors and sizes that you want to offer. We can also set up any of our pricing in bulk right here as well. And since we're offering multiple products in this case, what we want to do is update our size. So instead of just showing the standard small, medium, large sizes for our apparel, we also want to add the type of product to our size field. We make that really easy here to have those set. So I'm just going to update my size. So it is going to show t-shirt in front of any of the t-shirts that I'm offering, sweatshirt in front of any of the sweatshirts, so on and so forth. Now, what's really nice with this is you only have to set up this configuration one time, and then you can save it as a template. And in the future, whenever you create new products like that, you can load the template and all you have to do then is upload your artwork. So that's what I'm going to do here. I have a template already loaded here that is a t-shirt and a sweatshirt. This is already set up with my colors and prices and sizes. You can see I'm adding a t-shirt and a sweatshirt in front of these variant names as well. In this case, I just have 2 products selected, but if we wanted to add a hoodie or a v-neck or a tank top, we could add any of those options here as well. Now that we have our products all set, all I need to do is upload my artwork. So I'm just going to click on upload artwork. Now we have 2 options here. If we already have artwork that's downloaded to our computer as a PNG, we can upload any of those PNG files right here. Or we can also import our designs from Canva and save the time of having to download and re-upload those designs. So I'm just going to click on add from Canva, and I've got a Canva design right here that is a series of bachelorette shirts that has a different design on every page. So I'm just going to select all 6 pages here. If you're doing personalization, you can import these as layers. This process supports personalization. But in this case, I don't have any personalization, so I'm just going to import these as a transparent PNG. Now that those designs are all loaded, we have the option of also renaming our color or size field so the customer is able to select what design they want as well. So in this case, I'm just going to name these design 1 through 6 to let the customer select which design option they want. You can name these whatever you want. So if you're doing zodiac symbols or monograms, you can name your variants here accordingly. And now once we click on save, you can see it's applied all of my artwork to both my t-shirt and my sweatshirt. If we were doing light and dark colors, we could easily run that same process and just select the specific colors or products that we wanted that artwork assigned to. Now that we have that loaded in, all we need to do is click on create product at the bottom. And this is going to create a new product inside of AnywherePOD. If we come down to the variants, you can see all of our pricing is already set up. All of the correct colors are on here with the correct design names all listed. We've got our t-shirt sizing listed here. And if we scroll down to the bottom, you'll see we also have our sweatshirt sizing already listed here. So all of our variants are automatically set up and correctly SKU linked, so we don't have to do any additional work when orders come in. It'll be completely automated. If we scroll back up here, you'll see all of our mockups have also been generated for this product. So if we come in here, you'll see that we have all of the mockups that are available from Printify for each of the products we selected and each of the designs that we uploaded. So we have access to not only all of those vendor supplied mockups, but also if we created any of our own custom mockups, those will be available in here as well. Not only individual mockups like these that have model shots on them, but you can also do group mockups. So here's a couple I created that are able to show every design that we uploaded as well. So with that, you are even able to completely automate all of your group listing mockups. Once we're done making our mockup selection, we can edit any of the other listing details here or use our AI tool here to generate these for us automatically. And now once we publish this listing to Etsy, it's going to be completely set up for us with all of those variants, all of the designs, all of the products already set up and linked correctly. This really is game-changing in the print-on-demand industry and now lets you create these types of listings faster than ever possible before. If you're interested in checking it out, make sure to check the link down in the description below and make sure to tune in next time for more options of what you can create using this new tool.